Want to start your morning with music and stay on track with reminders automatically? Let me show you how to set it up on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra using routine. To do so, open setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap settings icon, scroll down the screen, then tap mode and routine. Now tap discover, scroll down the screen. Under adaptive routine section, select morning music. Here you will see preloaded condition and action. In the if section, the routine uses your wake up time that's automatically detected. In the then section, you will see play music. Tap it and choose your favorite app like Spotify. Then tap done and open an app or do an app action. Tap it. Then select reminders for today. Then tap done. In the when routine end section, the music will automatically stop so you don't have to do it manually. Once you are happy, tap save at the bottom. So now every morning at your usual wake up time, your Galaxy S25 Ultra will automatically play music and open your reminders to kickstart your day. Okay, thank you for watching. Please have to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.